I picked out the 16 biggest 1/64 scale monster trucks that I have so I can do a biggest only trucks competition. The rules are pretty simple. 4 rounds, single elimination, 1 truck left standing. Our first round begins with 2 school versus recreation.
Winner, lane 4.
2 school advances, and recreation has been eliminated. Next up, it's Zurg versus the King of Monsters, Godzilla.
Winner, lane 3.
Godzilla advances, and Zurg has been eliminated. Next is Little Holland 64 versus Land Rover.
Winner, lane 4.
Little Holland 64 advances. Land Rover has been eliminated. Next up, it's Red Planet Rager versus Ramblin' Wrecker.
Winner, lane 4.
Red Planet Rager advances. Ramblin' Wrecker has been eliminated. Next, it's Bread Boys versus Chum and Get It.
Winner, lane 4.
Bread Boys moves on. Chum and Get It has been eliminated. Next up, it's Bikini Bottom's #1 fry cook, SpongeBob SquarePants versus Daredevil.
Winner, lane 5.
SpongeBob SquarePants advances. Daredevil has been eliminated. Next up, it's War Machine versus the Mystery Machine.
Winner, lane 4.
War Machine advances. The Mystery Machine has been eliminated. Our first round concludes with Loco Punk versus Humvee.
Winner, lane 4.
Loco Punk advances. Humvee has been eliminated. These are the 8 trucks that advance to the second round. Our second round begins with 2 school versus Godzilla.
Winner, lane 2.
Godzilla advances. 2 school has been eliminated. Next, it's Little Holland 64 versus Red Planet Rager.
Winner, lane 4.
With a come-from-behind victory, Little Holland 64 advances, and Red Planet Rager is eliminated. Next, it's Bread Boys versus SpongeBob SquarePants.
Winner, lane 2.
SpongeBob SquarePants advances. Bread Boys has been eliminated. In our last race of the second round, it's War Machine versus Loco Punk.
Winner, lane 3.
Loco Punk advances. War Machine has been eliminated. These are our final 4. Our third round begins with Godzilla versus Little Holland 64.
Winner, lane 2.
Little Holland 64 advances to the finals. Godzilla has been eliminated. Who's going to punch their ticket to the finals? Is it going to be SpongeBob SquarePants or Loco Punk?
Winner, lane 3.
Loco Punk advances. SpongeBob SquarePants has been eliminated. 2 trucks remain. In our final race of our biggest trucks only competition, it's Little Holland 64 versus Loco Punk.
Winner, lane 4.
The winner of our biggest trucks only competition, Little Holland 64. I'd love to know what you thought of the race. Please leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.